Take two. Let's see if I can not get bogged again. Fucking fingers bloody crossed. Jesus. Oh, I made it! How fucking good! I was hitting some fucking potholes. It looked like a snowplow on the sand. I made it! The GoPro's flat as always, but I made it to the beach. Big hit to the ego yesterday, not getting on, getting bogged on the track on the way in. Definitely will be getting a lift this week. Let's see if I can get out later today. Until then, let's have some fun. Yes! That way. I know that I can keep me away from apathy while I am still awake. And don't let me think too long of the one about to please. Show me love, show me love, show me love. What happened to your arm?
Pablo went ibis hunting, pulled the lead through my arm.
Back on the old sandy trail. Still have no idea what I'm doing out here. Was lucky enough to get bogged again. Pulled out by some more nice strangers. Another car's gone ahead of me and got bogged getting out. I'm gonna try and get some speed and follow this cunt and see how I go. Good luck to me. Yeah, well, I'm fucked. Still bogged. Well, it took
we made it.
4 other cars.
17 Australians.
Fucking 23 old men. A bunch of Aussies and a Slovenian. To get my car out. I think I'm gonna sell it and get a Toyota.